Hi guys, my name is Lena Semenek and this is Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life. Today is not the usual video. In my videos I like to talk about money, love, relationship, health, fears, anxiety, you name it. And I usually share my advice with you, psychological advice, and I answer your questions which you, my viewers, my followers, ask me on YouTube or Facebook. Today is going to be a little bit different. Today I would like to invite you to my workshops, which I organize at least twice a month, and I do online and in-person workshops. And you can watch all my videos, you can watch videos of other trainers, you can read a lot of books, but if you don't experience it, then it's going to take a lot longer for you to achieve the change that you want to achieve. So when you experience it, when you're working with your emotions, with your reactions, when you're working in a group or in person, this is very good. This is the fastest road towards success, towards money, towards loving relationship, any goal that you have. What do I teach on my workshops? As I said, theory you can watch in all my videos. And on the workshop, I usually give a little bit of theory, and the rest of the time we do exercise. We learn how to understand yourself, how to understand your feelings. I will help you to find your weak points. I will help you to find your strong points. I will support you during the process. I will offer you different techniques so you can create and develop new habit, new behavior pattern, new reactions, and move forward towards your goal. Okay, the topic of the next seminar is self-love, self-confidence, self-esteem, and self-acceptance. And I prepared the whole list for you of topics. There are all different topics. And on that workshop specifically, we're gonna learn what does it mean to love yourself. What does it mean to accept yourself? How can you accept yourself? We're gonna talk a lot about self-confidence and how to develop your self-confidence. We're gonna do a lot of exercises. They're very simple but extremely powerful. And we're gonna create a 30 days plan that will help you to be more confident in your life, and of course you can reach your goals faster. The second workshop is gonna be money, 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 I want more money. It's gonna be all about money. If you're gonna attend this workshop, then you're gonna learn what's stopping you from making more money. You're gonna learn how to connect your world with the world of money. You're gonna work on self-confidence towards money. You're gonna find your strongest quality, and you will learn how to attract more money into your world. And you're gonna learn 3 habits that will help you to become more financially successful in life. The third workshop, the third seminar is gonna be about childhood trauma and how it affects your adult life. So we're gonna talk about relationship and how your relationship is affected by childhood trauma. And here we're gonna talk about your parents, relationship with your parents, about responsibilities, and how our parents' patterns, parents' behavior affected our life and specifically our relationship. The fourth topic is gonna be trust issue in a relationship. And again, here we're gonna talk a little bit about your parents, a little bit about your unsuccessful previous relationship, and how you can create a trust in your relationship. And the first, in order to create trust with your partner, you have to create trust with yourself. And again, we learn how to trust other people when we are little. So we're gonna talk about trust issues. We're gonna discover what's stopping us from trusting other people, what's the biggest fear, and we're gonna learn how to overcome that fear in order for you to create a loving, caring, passionate, profound relationship with your loved ones. And the fifth topic, or the fifth workshop, is gonna be about sexuality. 4 types of women sexuality. And this workshop is also for men and for women. Why for men? Because men can learn different types of women and how they express their sexuality. And they can understand better how to choose the partner, how they can choose a woman with whom they can be actually happy and have like happy sexual successful relationship. And for women, it's going to be a very good workshop because they can understand themselves better. They can learn who they are, identify your own sexuality, and the most important, learn and practice how you can use your own sexuality in order to have happy, healthy, loving, successful life. The next topic is going to be about love, unlucky relationship, and this is going to be a workshop for people who cannot find their soulmate, who is struggling with dating, who cannot understand why they cannot find the soulmate and why they have so many problems in dating and in the relationship. So if you want to know why, if you want to know what's stopping you, this workshop is gonna be for you. And of course, I'm gonna have a workshop about fears and anxieties. Fears are stopping us from achieving our goals, from being successful, from creating a loving, caring relationship. So on this workshop, you're gonna learn how to identify your fears, how to control your fears, how to overcome your fears, how to reduce your anxiety level, how to be in control of your own emotions, of your own feelings, and how to be in control of your own life. Okay, check the links below. I will leave the links towards all those events, all those workshops, and also check my playlist because I also divided them into topics similar to the seminar topics. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any topic that you would like me to talk about, you would like me to create a workshop about, please share it below. And remember that your topic, your question or your suggestion might be the topic of the next video or of the next workshop. Don't afraid to ask your questions, share your comments below, subscribe to my channel, don't miss my new videos, share this video with your friends on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media. And thank you for watching Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life.